Hi. We made it.
Water, sunlight, air, and nutrients are indispensable for human survival, and so are plants. Mars Green is an easy-to-grow planter designed and inspired by planet Mars and the concept of interstellar life. After many design trials, we created the perfect material to maintain greenery and thrive. The special clay surface was treated with high temperature so plants can root on Mars Green naturally without special care. More than just an easy planter. We also designed Mars Green with lighting function. Powered by LED light strip and smart home app, the planter can be customized to more than 16 million colors. Multiple modes of lighting functions with easy setup on your phone. Styling your space and setting up the ambience have never been easier before. The clay material also serves as natural water irrigation cistern. The clay holds just enough water and moist, automatically watering the plants with no need of mud or draining system. With the mission to beautify your space, we have designed the planter to be placed in any way you like. Hang it on the wall, place it on flat surface, or on your shelf. Relax. Light up the mood. Adding greenery at home can be easy. Join us in the journey of galactic experience at home now with Mars Green.